Okay, let's do problem 2. So here we've got x cubed times 5x squared times 2x squared. So here we're going to take our exponents, our 3, our 2, and our 2, and we're going to add those together and get x to the 7th. Now what do we do with the 5 and the 2, and even the 1 that's here that we don't see? Well, we're going to multiply those and get 1 times 5 times 2, or 10. And so we're going to say 10x to the 7th. Same idea for part B, except here we've got one extra step. Here we've got this stuff in parentheses, the x, the 5x, and the 2x. And so we got to deal with that first, because order of operations tells us we have to do parentheses and exponents first. So for this first part, the x in parentheses with a 3 on the outside, we're going to take that 3 and we're going to distribute it to what's in the parentheses, the x. And that's going to give us x to the 3rd. Same thing with 5x in parentheses and then the squared. We're going to take that 2 and we're going to give it to the x and to the 5. So what's 5 squared? Well, 25. What's x squared? We're just going to say x squared. And then let's do the same thing with that 2x in parentheses squared. We're going to take that 2, give it to the 2, give it to the x. 2 squared is 4. X squared, we're just going to write as x squared. Okay, now we've got something that looks kind of like part A. And just like in part A, we added these exponents. So we added 3 plus 2 plus 2 to get x to the 7th. And we multiplied those coefficients. So really like a 1 here that we don't see. 1 times 25 times 4 gives us 100. So 100x to the 7th. Okay, part C. Part C, they're trying to be a little bit tricky. So we have addition instead of multiplication. And the thing to know is that if we have a term like x to the 3rd and another term like x squared, we can only add those together if the exponent is the same. And so here, the only terms that have the same exponent are this one and this one. They both have an x squared. So those we can add together. That's going to give us 7x squared. We're adding that 5 and that 2. The x to the 3rd, we have to just bring down and leave it by itself. We can't combine it with the 7x squared because those exponents aren't the same. And so this is our final answer, x cubed plus 7x squared.